Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I post every Wednesdays and Sundays. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you as well. Gobe, red, beans and plantain. Yes, that is what we are making for our babies today. This recipe is so easy and will be ready in no time. For our ingredients, I have here black-eyed beans. So what I do is to soak the beans in water overnight to soften it and make it easier to use. Then the following day, this is the labor of love. I rub the beans in between my palms till all the peels or skin come off. So I came up with this recipe because I had been looking for beans flour or powder for the longest time in Kumasi and I couldn't find any. And I wanted my son to enjoy red. Also, I'll be using some ripe plantain, 1 chopped tomato and an onion. I'll also use some powdered fish, but you can use any protein sauce you'd want. I also have here palm oil. So to begin, I'll add some water to the beans and bring to a boil for 20 minutes. After that time has elapsed, I'll add in my ripe plantain and my onions. At this point, my fish powder will also go in next. And then I'll cover to simmer for about 5 minutes. After these 5 minutes, I'll add my chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of palm oil. Now I'll mix everything up properly and allow to simmer for about 2 extra minutes. My gobe is now ready to be blended or pureed for my baby. Please do not deprive your babies of this nutritious Ghanaian delicacy. I hope you do try it and leave comments down below and let me know how they enjoyed it. At this point, keep blooming.